Hello, this is island Iriamota Jima, one of the most southern islands of whole Japan, very close to Taiwan. And I'm staying nearby one of the largest gingers. So gingers are representative of Zingiberaceae family. There are many genera, and this is Alpinia. Alpinia intermedia is one of the biggest of these giant herbs. You understand quite well why we call gingers giant tropical herbs. They're herbaceous plants, but size, as you see, is larger than me. Alpinia intermedia is a wonderful plant. I choose it for my video because it has very nicely developed flowers. Today is May 22nd, and you can see flowers of Alpinia intermedia are mostly developed and open. What is a wonder is artistic way how gingers operate with a typical monocot flower ground plant. So ground plants are very straightforward. There are 6 members of perianth, 6 stamens and 1 pistil, typically trilocular. So what gingers do with it, it's amazing. So they changed everything, rearranged it in some amazing way to allow pollination. So first of all, they have only 1 stamen. So where are 5? 5 stamens are developed. 1 is not at all developed, so -1, but 4 will make so-called staminodes. 2 of them form lip. So lip of the flower of gingers are made from stamens. There are 2 staminodes fused together. Plus, if you look on this flower closely, you will see like a small horns, reddish in this case. There are 2 other staminodes. Now we can have 6 stamens. Now perianth. So there should be 6 members of perianth in tulip flower. 3 external members which make a tulip flower bud. So they initially green and then change color in tulip. And here they are very cup-shaped and form a calyx. And then there are 3 inner members, which we call petals in that case. They are quite well developed. The most important is upper petal, which will enclose at first both stamen and upper part of the pistil, the receptive part, styled with the stigma. So it's interesting construction. The uppermost petal will embrace stamen, and stamen in turn will embrace the style with stigma. Then everything starts to be developed, and finally the sexual part of that structure starts to be longer than petal, and finally the pistil part of that structure, I mean style and stigma, will be even longer and will at first will be kept within a stamen and then will go down. So it's a difference from some other species of Alpinia. So it starts like a big crane which takes everything, then the male part will detach from it with the female, and then finally female part will become completely separate. Very interesting teamwork for the pollination. And this is attractive from the long distance. As you see, flowers are very visible, especially because they are typically collected in a dense inflorescences, and there are plenty of insect visitors nearby. So this is one of the largest gingers, and like all gingers, they must have ginger odor. Let me check it. Oh yes. Okay, nice. So this is a very typical ginger odor in that plant. Flowers are also odorate, a bit weakly in that species, but you can actually understand there is a specific odor of leaves and specific odor of flowers. So this is how Alpinia intermedia, giant ginger on Iriamota Island, is flowering. Today again is May 22nd. Very hot day. Thank you.